Look what I found. Look for the flags, look for that, as opposed to this. See here, no flags, not made in USA. What we've got here today is a very rare bird indeed. This is the Made in USA Craftsman hand tool socket set. The difference between this and the current Taiwan made sets is, of course, the USA logo here, global materials, some stars and stripes and bars and all that. And as you can see, it does say proudly made in USA with global components. So we flip this around to the back and you will notice that it says ratchets, sockets, and wrenches made in USA with global materials, the balance made in Taiwan. So this is the seems to be the same part number, that the Taiwan made set has. This one was found at Lowe's. From an article that I read, it says that before the Fort Worth plant closed, that it just sent all of the production that passed their QC, they sent it out into distribution just to be sold, but these will no longer be made. So this will be a rare bird. And opening it, we see that it has a little cardboard insert there that says forged in Texas. It does have a little bolt diameter gauge set there. Let's see if this comes off, and it does. So what do we have here? We've got the 1/4 inch and 3/8. Let's see for any USA markings. Nothing there. Okay, there we go. Made in the USA with global materials. It does not have USA stamped in the handle though. Seems to be exactly the same as the Taiwan model. Let's take a look at the 1/4 inch. Same thing there. And the sockets, we'll take a look at one of these big ones. Oh, there you go, USA, 19 millimeter. Seems about the same quality as the Taiwan made units. Let's take a look. It looks like the extensions are not stamped USA. I do not see anything on there. Let's take a look at the 1/4 inch one. I do not see any USA markings on that. Seems to be same for this screwdriver or bit holder. I do not see any markings on that. So it seems that the ratchets and the sockets, including the spark plug socket there, are made in USA, but the nut driver here, the bits for that, and your Allen wrenches up here are probably Taiwan sourced, as it says from the packaging. I do have some Craftsman Taiwanese hand tools in here, so we're going to take a look and compare. Okay, so here is the Taiwanese ratchet and the USA ratchet. So if we take a look here on the back, obviously there's going to be some differences because of the USA symbol there on the plate. Everything does look interchangeable. The part numbers are different, as you see here. Taking a look at it a little closer, it does seem like the switch is a little different. This is the USA, this is the Taiwanese. So the USA does feel a little smoother, but you know, what does that mean? Who knows? That's the USA one there. Feels smooth. The Taiwanese one. USA one is definitely smoother. I don't know what the teeth count is on the Taiwanese. Let's, what is the teeth count on this? Whoops, on this one. Doesn't really, oh, 90 tooth ratchet. Okay, so let's put the USA one back. All right, now let's compare a socket. This is the Taiwanese and the USA. So, interesting. This is the one that came in the other kit, the Taiwanese one. This is the USA one. Let's see, yep, see USA there. For what it's worth, differences. Now this kit does have deep sockets for your 3/8, but it does not have deep sockets for the 1/4 inch. Okay, so there's a 1/4 inch 9/16. You can see the chroming inside looks like it's okay on the sides, but not on the very end there. You know what, let's take a look at this new USA versus a 9/16 old USA. So this is the 9/16 right here. So let's take a look. Okay, so here is the 9/16 USA from the mid-90s, I think. And then the new USA Craftsman from Lowe's. So as you can see, the new one is bigger or deeper. I'll let you be the judge of that, but this is the inside of the 90s one. It's been used a lot. And here is the new one. Your USA symbol there. Old, new. Old and new. Well, that's about all I've got to say about this USA with global component Craftsman set. It is a shame that they had to close the plant down and could not make a socket or wrench in the United States at a decent quality. It's just really pitiful. But anyway, hopefully if you want to get one of these, you can go by your Ace Hardware or Lowe's. Take a look and look for these flag symbols there and grab you one. I found this on clearance for $69.99. Y'all have a great weekend.